Excellent affiliate marketing tips for the beginner. Affiliate marketing is a well-kept secret of multinational corporations. For the everyday business owner, it can serve the same benefit for your outfit as it does for them. This video outlines a variety of tips and a bit of sound advice that can help you capitalize on affiliate marketing. If your products are less than reputable, it can cause a big dent in the profits you will bring in across time. Always make sure you research each supplier individually and don't sell anything in your name you wouldn't be comfortable with using yourself. One slip-up can put a permanent mark on your record and hurt your company a lifetime down the road. Make a unique web page for each affiliate product. Write relevant and helpful information about the product for your visitors to read. If you focus a page on a single product, you can target a specific audience that is already interested in the subject. It also makes tracking much easier. Always remember the importance of education. Know the basics of HTML, data feed manipulation, and product design. Bookstores and the internet can serve as wonderful resources for this. Having a good handle on basic affiliate marketing techniques will improve your site, as well as your income potential. To know what works and what does not, keep track of the emails that you sent. Use a professional email program to see who opened your email and who clicked on the link. You might need to work on the title or presentation of your emails to generate more interest. Taking the unique approach that affiliate marketing offers your business can be one of the best business decisions you will make. Forging long-lasting and secure relationships with partner businesses has the potential to greatly widen your consumer access. It is an intelligent and noteworthy direction toward marketing and profit procurement. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.